San Jose Academy. Not forward. And for our special awards, our critical team from De La Salle Araneta University, Onofre. From De La Salle Araneta University, Cavite. From St. James Academy, Gobondin. From St. James Academy, Yonko. From San Jose Academy, Mangubat. Our most defensive player from San Jose Academy, Balagtas. And our most valuable player from San Jose Academy, Maraquilla.